If you want to enable or disable LDAC for your Bluetooth device on Google Pixel 10a, it seems that we have to go to the developer options, because if we go to settings and choose connected devices and then go to the settings of our Bluetooth device, and then there is no option in here that would allow us to enable or disable LDAC. So what we need to do instead is we need to go to About Phone in here, scroll all the way down and keep tapping on build number until you need to enter the screen lock password, and then you will see an information that you are now a developer. Once you go back to settings in here, we can choose system, and then in here we should be able to find the developer options. Now we need to keep scrolling down until you find Bluetooth settings. There we go. And then in here we have the HD audio option, which we can of course enable or disable, and we can also tap on the Bluetooth audio codec over here, and you can actually choose which codec you want to use. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.